Ever lost track of those crucial Fibonacci levels on your TradingView charts and wondered where they've gone? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us, and getting them back is a breeze. First things first, let's locate the heart of your chart's elements A circumflex euros. The objects tree, you'll find this usually on the far left-hand side toolbar of your TradingView interface. Click on that icon, which typically resembles a list or a small tree structure. Once the objects tree opens, you'll see a list of all the indicators and drawing tools currently on your chart. Scroll down until you find the specific Fibonacci tool you're looking for, A circumflex euros. This could be Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci extension, or any other variant you've used. Next to the name of your Fibonacci tool, you'll see a small icon, usually an eye. If this eye is crossed out or looks like it's hidden, that's the culprit. Simply click on that eye icon. And just like that, your Fibonacci levels are back, ready to help you identify potential support, resistance, and reversal points. You can repeat these steps for any other hidden drawing tools you might have misplaced. Mastering these essential tools like Fibonacci retracements and extensions is key to effective technical analysis. And now, you know exactly how to keep them at your fingertips. Happy trading!